Before getting into the technicalities and the applications that run penetration tests, I'll take you through a quick overview on the applications and the layout of the Kali desktop. So if you go here to the applications menu, you will see that as we said, that we have more than 300 applications used for penetration testing, security auditing, forensics, etc. These 300 applications are well spread over these categories of information gathering, vulnerability analysis, web application analysis, database assessment, password attacks, wireless attacks, reverse engineering, etc. So it's now easy to spot an application directly under the category of attacks that we are planning to do. We'll go into the details during the course. Here, if you press on the places, it's actually file manager. Simply, as in Windows, just by double clicking folder, you can go there. You can see the desktop, documents, trash, which is the recycle bin. So it's a simple file manager. Here is the calendar, and here are the workspaces. The concept of workspace is really important, especially if we're planning to do multiple or running multiple applications. So for example, if I have this terminal open here and I have maybe other applications, this is in workspace 1, I can go to workspace 2 and open other applications without even closing or disrupting the initial applications open. So this is a very nice feature in Kali. Here you can see the wired connection, wireless connection maybe if there is any, but the virtual machines usually cannot access the internal wireless card here. I'll show you later on during the wireless attacks how to set up this. You can as well turn off the machine here, lock it, and go to the settings. So feel free to just explore desktop environment.